Hi, this is Amy Fanny. I told you I'm gonna bring you to the most beautiful place I know and I love so much in Milton Keynes. So hey, this is it. Breathtaking, isn't it? Have a look. Slopes down. And just look at the view here. I'm literally standing on a mountain. Can you see? You can go down and it keeps going down. Sloping. You see? Whoa. I'm still using just my hand. You see? It can keep going and going. But when I have to return climb it, it's going to be hard to climb up. But hey, I'm doing it. So you see, whoa, it's really. So you see, I can go down and down and down and down and down. But look, this was what I was showing you when I was standing up. So you can see it from here as well. But look, it keeps, so if I want to go down, it keeps going. You understand? And look at the sky. You see the sky? Oh, the sun is so bright. You see? Isn't it breathtaking? So you see now, this is what I wanted to show you. Come, there is behind me, so literally, whoa. I hope you love it. This is why I came here. So I came all the way from my house to come and show you this place, which I believe you will love it. So all that field is an amazingly beautiful place where people come to relax. You know, people come here to relax. Can people even have programs there? Shot a video here before, that side, that white thing there. Yeah. In one of my videos, there was a scene, just the top scene, yeah, is in one of my videos. Told you the people come here to relax, right? Whoa. So you see, good to show you, beautiful place in Milton Keynes. Right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Do you want us to go back down? Let's try it. Coming down is not going to be easy. Okay? Going down is not that easy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So it's amazingly beautiful here, honestly. Look at the back. Look. So I keep going down and down and down. Whoa. You see? I told you people come here. Let me show you again. They're actually taking pictures. You see? It's up there. I can go literally down there. I've left my stops there. I don't want to go so far. Nobody will take it anyway. Nobody steals from here. I have a God who never fails. He will never fail. He has never failed. I have a God who never fails. He will never fail. He has never failed. I have a God. Hey, have you ever seen Jehovah failed? Have you ever seen Jehovah failed? Have you ever seen Jehovah failed? All heaven and earth, come testify. All creations, come testify. From east to the west, north to the south, come testify. Have you ever seen Jehovah failed? Oh, hey, hallelujah, he never fails. Hallelujah, he never fails. Hallelujah, Jesus never fails. He will never fail. He has never failed. Hey, hallelujah, he never fails. Hallelujah, he never fails. Hallelujah, Jesus never fails. He will never fail. He has never failed. You see, I'm stuck down here. I'm stuck down here. I'm stuck down here. Whoa. I'm climbing. There was somebody else that came to do. Look, somebody else was shooting a video there. So you see? I told you this place is beautiful, right? Okay. That's my outfit. You got it? You got it? Or you don't get it? You get it? You get it? Oh my. Okay, so I have a God who never fails. He will never fail. He has never failed. I have a God who never fails. He will never fail. He has never failed. I have a God. Hey, have you ever seen Jehovah fail? Have you ever seen Jehovah fail? Hey, have you ever seen Jehovah fail? All heaven and earth, come testify. All creations, come testify. Aye, from east to the west, north to the south, come testify. Hey, have you ever seen Jehovah fail? Dun, 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 dun. Hallelujah, he never fails. Hallelujah, he never fails. Hallelujah, Jesus never fails. He will never fail. He has never failed. Hallelujah, he never fails. Hallelujah, he never fails. Hallelujah, Jesus never fails. He will never fail. He has never failed. Hey. Oh, na 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 na. Yeah. Oh, na 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 na. Yeah. Oh, I have a God who never fails. He will never fail. He has never failed. I have a God who never fails. He will never fail. He has never failed. I have a God. Have you ever seen Jehovah fail? Have you ever seen Jehovah fail? So yes, I've showed you. Okay? I have showed you the most beautiful place I've been telling you about. Yay! It's breathtaking. Go to the right, you can see from far away from that side. That's how beautiful it is. Look.